Welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about final part of sets chapter. So these 5 topics are final part of a sets chapter. So first, before going to the topic, to get the latest videos of our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So first, finite sets. So a set which consists of countable number of elements. For example, a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it consists of countable number of elements. So it is called finite sets. So a set which contains countable number of elements. It is called finite set. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So next, infinite sets. So it is opposite to finite sets. So a set which contains uncountable number of elements. It is called infinite set. Example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So there is no limit of these numbers. So it is said to be infinite set. Next, cardinal number. So important topic in set chapter, cardinal number. So cardinal number means number of elements in a set is said to be cardinal number. So number of elements in a set is called cardinal number. It is denoted by n of a if a is a set. If a is a set, it is denoted by n of a. First, when you take an example, a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a set. Its cardinal number is, that means n of a equal to 5. Because 5 elements are there. When you take example 5, so it is an empty set. Empty set has no elements. So n of 5 equal to 0. So there is no element means it is 0. Next, fourth topic. Fourth, it is a problem. N of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. They ask to prove n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So they are given problem in Venn diagram. A, B, C, D, E, S, T, U. So here we have to write the elements first. So A is a set and B is a set. So elements in the A set, A, B, C, D, E. So these are elements. By seeing this Venn diagram, you have to write the elements. Next, B. So D, E, S, T, U. D and D are common elements, so they are written here. Next, so we have to substitute these values here. First, we have to find first A equal to A, B, C, D, E. N of A equal to 5. B set equal to D, E, S, T, U. N of B equal to 5. So now we have to find A union B. A, B, C, D, E union D, E, S, T, U. So their union will be A, B, C, D, E, S, T, U. So n of A union B. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n of A union B equal to 8. Next, A intersection B. A, B, C, D, E intersection D comma E comma S comma T comma U. So their common elements are D comma E. Next, A intersection N of A intersection A intersection B. N of A intersection B equal to 2 elements are there. Now we have to write the given question. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So N of A union B equal to 8. 8 equal to N of A 5. N of B 5 minus N of A intersection B 2. So 8 equal to 10 minus 2. 8 equal to 8. So it's true. So we have proved that. Next, last topic, power set. So power set means a set which contains its elements as its subsets. So a set which consists its elements as its subsets, it is called power set. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its subsets will be equal to 2 power n. So here n equal to number of elements in the power set. For example, 2 power 5, we get 32 elements. So it is a power set with the 5 elements. The subsets for this will be 32. For example, when I take A equal to 1, 2, its subsets will be 2 power n equal to 2 power 2 equal to 4 elements. So we will write this. So subsets P of A equal to, so it will be defined by P of A, power set of A, subsets. So first 1 will be a subset and 2 will be a subset and 1, 2. So every set will be subset of itself, and empty set is subset of every set. So we got 4 subsets here. So it is meant by power sets. So a set which contains its elements as its subsets, it is called power set. So it is the last topic. So today we will end this sets chapter. Tomorrow onwards we will start next chapter in 10th standard. So thanks for watching. So if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel.